Hey guys, this is DarkMX2000. Just giving you guys an update to my last video. As I explained in my last video, I was having the issue with Object Docked in iTunes. For some reason, I couldn't get the icon to change. And every time I clicked on it while it was in Object Docked, it would send me into Aerial Desktop, which was becoming very bothersome. So I switched back to Rocketdock, as you can see here, and I don't have those issues anymore. The issue I'm having is, as you can see, my iTunes logo, I was able to get it to a custom icon instead of the original blue and gray one by using a program called Restorator 2007. It is a program that I saw and that was recommended by a lot of fellow other YouTubers to use to change the icons, as I used it to change this, so I thought might as well try it to see if I can change the icons on a couple of programs that don't allow you to change them, like iTunes and Skype. The problem I'm having though is that when I click on the iTunes icon now, it opens up a completely separate icon of iTunes, of the original icon, which I had deleted from my computer, and for some reason I can't get it to work off just this one icon here, like as you see Firefox does. So if anyone has figured out how to do this, it'd be greatly appreciated. I'm trying to get rid of this second icon and just use this one icon and stay lit to let me know that iTunes is open like Firefox is. The only way I can get this thing to work with my color scheme, which is black and gray, is I end up having to minimize it so that it goes into the mini player right here, and that way it's feasible. But if I wanted to open it up for any reason to go into the library to pick my songs, I have to unminimize it, which brings up that icon again, which it's not really a problem, it kind of clashes with everything else I have on here. So it's either go into the mini player, and I have my iPod Touch right next to me, and I have a program on there called Remote. I use that to basically go through my iTunes library and stuff like that, just so I don't pop it up. And yes, it seems kind of anal and everything, but it's just that I don't like that blue icon. It's really annoying to me. So I'm going to keep trying to see if I can figure out a way to change that so it stops using that icon, and so that it will use just one icon instead of opening up two. But in the meantime, this is what my fix is until I can figure out how to change that. But if you have any issues or need any assistance with changing those icons, like I said, in iTunes, Skype, and everything, just private message me, and I will put up another video to show you guys how I did it, how I went in and changed those icons. And I'll just show you again. As you see, it's a whole new custom icon here. And if you click on properties, it doesn't give you the option to change the icon here. So I can't go back in and say change this to another icon without using Restorator. So if you want me to do a video showing you how to use Restorator to change the icon, just private message me or just comment on my page, and I will set up another video. Alright, this is DarkMX2000. Talk to you guys later.